a senior student at Salem College, Winston-Salem, North Carolina. And today I was reading Il Libro dell'Arte by Giannino Cennini, an author of the 1200s. He's very thorough when he describes how to make things. In his chapter 7, he says, what kind of bone is good for treating the panels? You must know what bone is good. Take bone from the second joints and wings of fowls, and the older they are, the better. Just as you find them under the dining table, put them in the fire, and when you see that they have turned whiter than ashes, draw them out, and grind them well, and use it as I say above. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a quill. Unfortunately, I have nothing under my table. So I think I'm going to take a peek over my neighbor's fence and see what they have. Be right back. Okay, first we need to clean feather really well. Get the tip off. Make sure you clean the inside of the feather. Once you have the desired tip, let's see if it's good enough.